What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're here at the BUN house. As you can see, like we are at every video, we got all the boys here, including Drage.
What's up?
If you guys haven't subbed to his channel already, go make sure you check it out, even though most of you, again, are probably from his channel, like I've said. Anyways, today we are doing a challenge. It's kind of like a, is it called a catch it, you keep it challenge?
Yeah, if you catch the ball, you keep the prize.
Yeah, so pretty much we're launching tennis balls. I don't know why they're putting
You caught a big chode.
I did.
Okay, we're launching tennis balls in this makeshift slingshot out into the ocean, and people are going to be trying to catch it on the jet ski down there in this net. We're going to do whoever can catch the most of our 5 balls gets how much money, Drage?
I think we're gonna go with $15,000 for this one.
Woo! What?
That's
What did I just come to?
Dude.
Why am I working? I should have just came here.
Yeah, the winner of who catches the most out of 5 balls gets $15,000, guys. That's
But you
insane.
don't win anything unless you catch 3 of them. So today I pulled up to the BUN house and the boys pitched me an idea of like a catch and keep game. And like they said, we're gonna be whipping jet skis, having nets, and they're gonna have a slingshot, shooting tennis balls. Sounds pretty sweet. I mean, it sounds like something I'm gonna win, so.
Okay, so here goes the first ball. Just watch how far this goes. 3, 2, 1. Holy crap.
There's a splash.
Boom. So that's about 150 feet out there, 200 feet. Someone's gonna be on a jet ski, riding around trying to catch it. Let's see who catches the most. Are you guys ready?
Let's go!
I'm giving up on you. Hey. Hey, we out here fishing for some balls. Let's go.
Okay guys, we're starting the first round right now. It's for 15 grand. This first round's for 15 grand, right? Every round is for 15 grand?
We're doing 5 balls, remember?
5 balls and every round is for 15 grand.
5 balls, whoever catches the most at the end wins.
Okay, here we go guys. Ready?
Here we go, we're gonna start launching. First to 5 balls. Go. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, come on.
Oh! He got 1. Okay.
All right.
1 out of 5. 4 balls left, right?
Yeah.
4 balls left. He's 1 for
1 for 1. In 3, 2, 1. 2, 1 for 2.
1 for 2.
Okay, this is ball number 3. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh. 3, 2, 1.
It's going shorter than they're expecting.
My phone over here.
Not too bad. I jammed my finger.
Okay.
You jammed your finger.
Jammed my finger.
How you feeling?
Let's launch this
doing
one.
pretty well.
Good?
Doing
Let's
pretty
launch
well.
this one extra far. I'm gonna lean all the way back. Ready? 3, 2, 1. How cold is that water?
Really cold.
Bro, that's 30-something degrees. The water's gotta be freezing.
It's the middle of November.
He's got a wetsuit on now.
What happened?
I keep getting my fingers jammed and pinched and all that
Pull finger.
bad shit.
Getting a little head start, and then you guys just shoot it eventually.
Unfortunately, you're out.
That's all 5.
Your driver sucks.
Dickie, I'd like to see you. Fucking hard.
2, 1. Oh!
They got it.
He got 1 of 5. Ball 2.
Not bad, not bad.
4 chances to make 2 more.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's going far. Oh.
Jump from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah, that's money.
Oh! Wait, you dropped it. Okay, you dropped it. 2 out of 5. Third shot, he's gotten 2 out of 3. So if he gets one of these next 2, he's in the running for the $15,000.
Driver! I'm a better driver!
2, 1. Okay, so he has to get this one to be in the running for $15,000. Let's hope he gets it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah! He's almost falling. That would have been so great if he just fell off. Okay, so we have the first one in the running. Oh no! Okay, first round done. We only have one person in the running to win the money.
Eamon's only one, dude.
So Eamon caught 3.
Yeah.
Peyton caught 1.
So now it's up to you and Nick.
You and Nick are getting
nervous, dude. I'm kind of nervous.
on. How many do you think you could catch?
All of them?
All of them?
I think it really depends on your driver.
It does.
Yeah,
depend on
the driver has to be good. Should we just have Peyton drive you guys from now on?
No, I don't trust Peyton
I
driving.
think you and Nick are the best drivers.
Yeah, I don't trust Peyton.
You're gonna
driving.
fall off?
Yeah, if Peyton's driving me.
fling him eventually.
I don't trust Peyton driving at all. Dude, I want Nick to drive. Where's Nick at?
He's changing.
Into what?
Bathing suit.
I kind of want to put my wetsuit on.
I'll never drop you.
Okay, dude. We have a truce, and we're not tossing each other.
I really hope you guys don't do better than us. I'm sending these slingshots. That's a manipulated variable, bro. It's not constant. There's no consistency.
We're heading out.
All right, who's driving first?
So right now, only one in the running. You got 1 of 5. Yeah. Congrats, that was horrible. You got 3, that was pretty good. Okay.
Dude, there's one that bounced off the rim
and bounced in. It looked like it just fell through the net though. 3, 2, 1. Go. Yeah, good luck. Good luck. Ha ha!
Told you. Told you. They couldn't do it, bro. They're 0 for 1 already. I'm launching the balls. They're not going to be catching any. We're waiting for these fools to get here because they take too long. But when we're out on the ski, they're like, hurry up, go faster. And it's like, come on, man.
Need a better driver.
Yeah, really? Let's see what happens here. Watch the stats, bro.
Over.
Watch the stats.
2, 1.
They caught it?
You gotta yeet it out there, bro.
Last time everybody was all stoked when you guys caught him, and then now they're like, oh.
All right, so we're going to let Eamon cast a couple away here.
This one's gonna go to that island out there.
That's a mile away.
Give him a countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dickie didn't even gas it.
That was on them.
Yeah, Dickie didn't even put any gas in the thing.
Sunset's beautiful.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Dude, they're not even like using the
not,
gas. They're just like sitting there.
See, it's driver, bro. It's driver.
Me and Peyton had the chemistry.
Comes down to team points.
The chemistry, is that why he caught 1 and you caught 3?
Yeah, look at how good I was at driving.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Dude, they don't even move.
Look, he didn't even try.
What are you doing?
Peyton was such a sketchy driver.
Hey, but it worked.
So, what do you guys think? It's pretty common knowledge. Jake's gonna be a better driver.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's definitely gonna be better.
In turn,
Jake
bro.
probably didn't even see it.
No, you have to look.
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Come on.
They got it.
No, he didn't catch it.
They didn't? I don't think they got it.
Oh, it's perfect.
That's 2.
Yes.
He has to catch every one.
Hey, I thought you guys were really confident.
It's so inconsistent.
You guys got a maneuver.
Maneuver.
Ready?
Oh yeah, my bad.
5, 4,
Higher, higher, higher.
Straight up in there.
2, 1.
Oh,
That's money. If he doesn't catch that.
he said,
Said that's so inconsistent.
Okay, sit out there and I'll hit you.
it's not a perfect size. We're using a jump rope and a knee brace.
Yeah, that's some white people thinking right there. Jump rope and a knee brace. Slingshot.
Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. And all in all, Eamon and Peyton tied for first. They won 15 grand,
Yes,
which
sir.
they're splitting between the two of them.
Who's splitting's going on with this leg?
I have a killer.
Took a pee.
So Peyton and Eamon are splitting the money for first place prize. Anyways, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Let us know if you've been enjoying these videos that we've been doing with Drage in the comments below, and we'll make sure to definitely do more. That's it for all. Peace. Peace.
Peace. Next time.
Later.
Said I don't need her, I just need me a two-seater. I be dripping to my drawers, syrup dripping in my liter. Don't you come around, no, don't come around and see.